I come from. I come from strong Jamaican women, granny mum, mother, aunts, confident, strong hands giving hugs, loving, caring, nurturing hands. Granny mum in the kitchen with her apron on, Independence Day picture meets the eye. Yes, I come from strong bonds, hearing scary stories around open fires, walking rocky paths carrying water. Men meeting in rum bars, laughing out loud, women drinking bush tea to cure all ills. I come from pretend kitchens of girls, tin pan pots on open stoves, climbing trees to eat fruits or to shelter from the blazing sun. I come from an island I call my little paradise, miles and miles of golden sand and blue, blue, blue sea. Yes, we repeat words for emphasis. A land of many cultures and mix of languages, a land of contradictions, where the American dollar is preferred to the British pound, yet the British king is the head of state. I come from far, from women who value education with shouts of, "Go get your book!" Women who will plait your hair as you sit between open legs. Women who support women and can call a pot a pot.